Welcome to the Core Getting Started collection. In this video, we will introduce you to Vitek's System Definition Language. While this video is presented from a core perspective, the content applies to all Vitek products. Our approach to defining your model is grounded in the use of the System Definition Language provided with Core. The System Definition Language is a formal, structured language which avoids the ambiguity inherent in using English. The precise meaning of each language concept is fixed and documented to enhance team communication and ensure unambiguous interpretation of your design using this language. Let's take a deeper look at the System Definition Language, exploring how this provides the foundation for the core schema. Elements correspond to nouns in English. Elements define objects and serve as the basic units in the system repository. Core groups these elements into one of several classes, such as components and functions. Components are the physical parts of your system, such as a coffee maker. Functions are the behaviors performed by your system, such as making coffee. Relations are similar to verbs. To be precise, a relationship that defines a link between two elements corresponds to the mathematical definition of a binary relation. For each relationship, there is a complementary relationship that defines the link from the object to the subject. For example, when you allocate a function element to a component element using the allocated to relationship, Core automatically creates the performs relationship, linking the elements in the reverse direction. Making coffee is allocated to coffee maker, and coffee maker performs making coffee. Attributes further describe elements, much like adjectives modify nouns. The attributes of an element serve to define critical properties of elements. For instance, attributes of a component would include the component number and the component type. An attribute of my coffee maker might be the 12-cup volume of its carafe. Parameters highlight critical design values of an element while still allowing the values to be embedded within text fields of the element's attributes. Whereas an attribute is an expected piece of data for each element, parameters are chosen if and when it makes sense on a particular element. A parameter of my coffee maker may be to heat water to 195 degrees. Attributed relationships correspond to adverbs in English. The attributes of a relationship serve to define critical properties of the relationship. For instance, attributes of a consumes relationship would include the quantity being consumed. Making coffee consumes 6 tablespoons of coffee grounds. Structures provide specification of system control constructs such as concurrency, iteration, loop, multiple exit, replication, selection, and sequences. Using this notation, the behavior of the system can be validated and shown to be executable using CoreSim. Core dynamically interprets a behavior model, so the simulation is always synchronized within the current model contained in the repository. This concludes the overview of the System Definition Language. To learn more about using Core, go back to our screencast page and view the rest of the Getting Started collection.